Hi, I'm Paulina Walkowiak, and in this video I will show you how to take advantage of CUX heatmaps. Are you ready? The most engaging websites are on the top of the list. So find the heatmap that you want to analyze and press show. On the left side you can adjust what kind of event you want to analyze, whether it's move, click, link, right click or zoom. From what kind of device, for which date range. You can also play with heatmap layers like opacity, intensity and spread. Also, there is a list of elements that users interact with. Whenever you hover it, it highlights. The percentage next to events shows how many users interacted with this element. If you're not able to pick a device or event, don't worry. It's because we need at least 50 events to generate a heatmap. Usually, people use heatmaps to check user interaction with the crucial elements of the website. But guess what? There is more. Heatmaps can help you discover the hidden optimization treasures. Want to see whether people click on things that aren't clickable? To do that, you need to compare link map to the click map. If on a click map you're seeing user activity that doesn't appear on a link map, congratulations! You've just found a missed opportunity for product optimization. This way, you can also find the dead links on a page. Here is another hidden heatmap gem. Detecting user frustrations that lead to dropouts. From the list of events, choose zoom or rage click. If you spot those kind of behavioral patterns, it may be a sign that some elements are not readable for users or don't work properly. Those are just the two examples of what you can track with the help of CUX heatmaps, but there is a lot more. I'm curious what other treasures you will discover.